defend yourself.
Yo, let me snack on these Draconians, Babylonians. Bump that, I won't spit like it's only them, it's only us that makes the winds gust. I spit for my people who got guts, straight love, no lust. Body made of small particles of stardust. In the Almighty we trust, in the Almighty we trust. With spirit, not matter, Big Bang theory, your whole vision of universe of life shatter. Before this world, I lived in the life after. My words manifested from God's breath. Inspiration, I jump into a new book at the end of each chapter. Guru, discipline, sadhu, attitude, tai chi, programmed, elemental master. Keep the lucid dream, spiritual lines in a circle like the fruit of life is my dream catcher. I run fast and fly faster. Time travel, mind unravel, life battle. Eat the red and green lime apple. Unleashing the righteous, my new shackle. I rebuild, I skyrocket like the Tower of Babel. Double-edged crystal, healing stones at the tip of my bow and arrow as my ammo. Pineal gland, my divine antenna, tune myself to a higher channel. Transform like an alchemical transformer without cocaine. I'm able to blow my head crack head like a volcano. I put my hands together, touching each loud gong, sensing electrical drive, liquid hot and cold. Laser flaming torch bursts out of the middle of my palm through a flame hole. This ain't no fable. Let me snack on these Draconians, Babylonians. Bump that, I won't spit like it's only them, it's only us that makes the winds gust. I spit for my people who got guts. Straight love, no lust. Body made out of small particles of stardust. In the middle of my pineal gland, I bust. In the Almighty we trust. In the Almighty we trust. Yo, let me snack on these Draconians, Babylonians. Bump that, I won't spit like it's only them, it's only us that makes the winds gust. I spit for my people who got guts. Straight 13 love and no lust. Body made of small particles of stardust. In the Almighty we trust. In the Almighty we trust. In the Almighty we trust. It's fabulous. Yeah. We here. 13 love. Hotep Natir. Elohim. Celestial beings. Astral project. Lucid dream. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. You know what I mean. You see what I see. Hotep Natir, we here. Alright, yo, we out of here, cause we here. We out and in here, you hear? That's right. Put it in your ear. That's right. Hotep Natir. Don't drop no tear. Don't have no fear. We here. Hotep Natir. I share.